Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Dave saying it cannot connect to your bank or your bank account suddenly got disconnected? This is one of the most complained about Dave problems. Here's exactly how to fix it. First, open the Dave app and go to your account settings or the banking section. Look for your connected bank and tap on it. If it shows a warning or says disconnected, tap reconnect or link again. This will open a Plaid window. Plaid is the service Dave uses to connect your bank. Select your bank from the list, enter your bank's online login credentials, your bank username and password, not your Dave login. After entering them, Plaid will verify and reconnect your bank. If your bank keeps failing to reconnect through Plaid, first go to your actual bank's app and make sure you can log in there. Sometimes the issue is that your bank password is changed. Note that Dave does not support Cash App, PayPal, American Express, Discover, or most prepaid cards. So if you're trying to connect those, it won't work. So all you've got to do is go to the Dave banking settings, then tap reconnect, use your bank login to Plaid and bank connected again. Subscribe for more Dave app fixes.